Learning becomes powerful when guidance meets opportunity. Hi everyone, welcome to my project Ment2Be. The project focuses on bridging the gap between mentors and learners through a structured digital platform. The project presents a mentor-mentee platform developed to streamline communication, task tracking, and learning progress. The objective of this project is to create an efficient system that connects mentors and mentees for structured growth. Through this platform, mentors can guide effectively while mentees track their learning journey. I am Ash Chauhan, and let me walk through you the project that I have built. Firstly, this is the landing page of the project, and here we'll get all the details of what the project does and what it is meant to be. So, this is the view of what website provides us. This is the dashboards that we get. This is the dashboard for the mentor. This is the dashboard for the student, and this one for the mentor. Secondly, these are some of the features that are shown and mostly will be shown through the project. So this is the profile page for any mentor that a student searches, and he can connect with that mentor and book a session for that with that mentor. Then these are some of the mentors and mentees who have provided us a feedback for the project that we have built. Most of them are dummy, and some of them are real. And this is the continuity of the landing page. And here is the footer of the project where you will find all the links to connect with us. Uh, Secondly, the solutions that so basically, students can ask questions on a platform which will be answered by one of the mentors. Similarly to Quora, if you have seen on the website. So Quora, just like Quora, you can ask and answer a question, and that will be answered by your mentor. This is one of the feature, and we'll definitely go through all of the features. This is the kind of a demo question that can be asked and that can be answered. Also, a mentor can provide various tasks to their mentees, and they have to complete on a specified time period on the specified constraints. And then if we move forward, we have also provided an internal chat-based system where any mentor who has been connected with any mentee, they can actually chat with them. They can provide various insights to them, and also, we have various reviews and testimonials for the mentors, which we'll see definitely in detail. And in order, if you want to connect with us, you can definitely type your details here. Let's say you want to connect with me and you want to discuss what the website does. So you have to provide me with your name, and you have to provide me with your Gmail. Let's say I am writing a dummy Gmail, dummy at the rate gmail.com. And the subject is, let's say it is a test subject. And tell me more about yourself or your inquiry. Let's say it is a test inquiry. And we'll send the message. So the message has been sent. So in order to confirm, let's see if I got an email or not. So as we can see, we have got an email just now, 0 minutes ago, and this is regarding the submission that we had, and you will get an email of you, and we'll definitely contact with you for any of the queries. So this was all about the landing page, and now let's proceed to how the actual product is and how it helps bridging the gap. So this is the login page of the website, and we'll get various testimonials on the login page from various users. So in the login page, you can do plenty of things. You can either register as a student or you can register as a mentee. Let's say you are registering as a student. Let's say it is a test student uh, 6, a test student uh, video. And let's say this is the sample email that we are adding. And let's say I am adding a phone number 85. right? And let me set a password. So I'm signing up as a student. So if you go to the email first of all of the particular student, so you'll see you'll get email, welcome student, and you have been registered as a student. So in the student dashboard, this is the student dashboard that you will get, and we'll all explore through all the different options that we get. Firstly, this is the home page of the student. So the first step should be you have to complete a profile. We'll complete the profile. Let's say I'm adding a sample email from my gallery, and let it be the sample photograph. Let it be a test bio. The bio is test bio. Skills. Let's say I'm having a skill, same skill, JavaScript, CPP, etc., etc. Interests, let's say I'm interested in coding projects, I'm interested in DSA. My learning goal is placements, uh, placements 2027. This is my registered number. It will be asking me to fill various other profile details as well. I can provide a LinkedIn profile, a GitHub profile, my portfolio profile, and we can add all those profiles and we can save the profile. So, so definitely we'll get a profile saved option and the dashboard will get updated. The profile photo will be displayed here and the profile photo is actually being saved in Cloudinary. So it will be fetched from there and we can see that the profile completion progress bar has been increased. It's a kind of point system that is providing you points for filling up your profile. Now, before we explore the next of the options in the dashboard, first, we need to connect to a mentor. And in order to connect to a mentor, we'll go to an explore page. So in explore page, this is an explore page. Basically, you will get all different mentors that are registered in our platform. So these are various mentors in our platform. There are plenty of mentors. We can filter in it on basis of various requirements. Let's say you want for software engineering, we have for software engineering. You need for design UX, we have for design UX. You need for career guidance, we have our career guidance. Or let's say there is some famous person you know on our platform, you can definitely search. I'm searching for a mentor that we already have registered. Let's say this is the mentor that I am looking for. This is a new mentor. And so this is basically the profile detail of the mentor you want to connect with. You will get all the details of the mentor, his bio, his uh, his reviews, his videos. If any videos are posted for this, we'll see how videos can be posted as well. This is the contribution graph of the mentor where actually the total contributions by that mentor will be shown, like how many sessions he had with that particular student. So the first step I'll do is obviously connect with that mentor. So I'm connecting with the mentor. I've connected with the mentor. So if as a student I go back to the home page and refresh my home page, so you see the mentor's number has been updated and I'll get one mentor to whom I have connected. So this is the mentor I have connected, and I'm again back to its profile page. So this is all the details that about this mentor, his skills, his sessions he had, average rating he actually has. Uh, then definitely you can have two options. You can either book a free trial for this mentor. So if you have booked a free trial for this mentor will be given an email. He will receive an email where he will contact with you on the phone and you'll get a free trial of what he does and how the sessions will be held. And if you are satisfied, then you can definitely go to book session. And when you go to book session, you will get a whole component to book. session with the mentor. So you can either fill the details, either you want to change the detail. Let's say there's a test. You have a session 101, group session, workshop, or webinar. For time being, we only have 101 sessions. You can define a duration. You can give a description as well. Let's say the description is this is a test session I am booking, right? So you have to also pay a fee, but right now it is free, of course, because payment has not been implemented right now. So obviously all the sessions for now are free. Any additional notes? No additional notes are there. And after that, you have to choose a date. Let's say December is the month and 2025 is the year. And now I have to click on the dates and I have to see for availability. For example, 25th was uh 25th has availability on 11, 23rd has no availability, 24th has availability on 9. So you have to choose accordingly. Let's say I'm clicking on 9th and I am booking a session. So, booking has been created successfully, and you will be redirected to your bookings page. This is the bookings page. So, here you will see your all the upcoming bookings as well as completed bookings as well as the cancelled bookings. So, because right now we booked a session with the mentor, so we got a card here for the booked session. Definitely, you cannot join session right now because the session will be available in 3 days because the session is on 24th. Now, if you go back to the home page again, so your home page will be updated again, and you will be given this component that says join the session. Basically, it shows all the sessions which are upcoming sessions. Until now, you can't as such join the session because it is pending and it has to be approved by the mentor. So, in order to make you familiar how the mentor is functioning, we have to go to the mentor dashboard as well. So let's go to the mentor dashboard. So here I'm back with the login page, and this time we are logging in with the mentor dashboard. And for that, I'm utilizing this option of login with Google. So after successful login, we are back to a mentor dashboard. This is an already filled mentor dashboard so that things become easier to understand. So right now we saw that this user, that is test student video, he connected to this mentor. So this mentor will also be shown that, okay, you have been connected with this test student video. And this is the detail of the student that we get here, right? And if we go to my mentees page of that mentor, so you'll see that this student who connected, his details has been appearing, right? So we booked the session for 24. So the mentor is able to see that we have booked the session for 24th. So either the mentor can reject, also he can confirm. So let's say we are not rejecting, we are confirming the session. So since we have confirmed the session, we'll get a message here. Okay, your session is confirmed as a mentor, and you can join this session on 24th December 9 a.m. If we go back to the student dashboard again, and if I refresh the page at the home page for student, we'll see that this session from pending has been changed to confirmed session, right? And this, and if we go back to the home page for mentor, we'll also see the mentor also has received the upcoming session. Now, since the upcoming session is basically a video call session and it is supposed to open on that particular date only, but in order to show a demo, I have provided a test button to show you how the video call is actually functioning, right? So, this is I have joined as a student uh, in the session. And if I go to the mentor dashboard and I click on the join session, I can join as a mentor as well. So you can see both the test student and the new mentor has joined. And now it's just like another video call application. You can turn on your cameras, you can turn on your mic, you can have a one-on-one session. You can share screens to each other and you can discuss on various other things, right? you can either have an inbuilt chat, you can chat with each other, and you can also see whoever has joined you with each other. So, after the session has been completed from both the sides, let's say I complete the session from mentor side. Let's say mentor has ended the session. So I click on the cancel button and I confirm it. So after this session will be ended for both, and we'll see a message that we are being redirected to a journal page. So what is the journal page? The journal page is basically nothing, it's just a record of your session. It has two options. First one is this AI analysis. So what will happen is if you have a real one-on-one session, because right now I just canceled the session and we didn't have any meaningful conversation. But if we have a meaningful conversation, the AI will run through the transcript and will provide some important, uh, you can say minutes of the meeting that were held, and will give you insights on our meeting. Apart from this, if you want that, okay, I want to remember something of this session, so I can save test notes for my session. Like I can type something and I can save the test notes for my session. So if I click on save and if I go to view my sessions, so I will see some test notes. So basically it's a memory. Okay, let's say next time if I'm going through my archive of my sessions and I want to see, okay, I had a session on December 24th with test student video. So what happened? So either I can have AI analysis or either I can have my test notes that I saved. And similarly, the student will also be redirected to the journal page, and he will also get two options. He or she will also get two options. Either so now we can create the task for any of the mentees. So we are creating a task for this particular mentee right now. So let's say the name of the task is test task created just now. The description is test description and there is no special instruction. Let's say this is a reading material task. I may provide some dummy URLs like https colon slash slash dummy URL. Obviously, we have to provide some rare URLs when we are working. We can upload any files that we want to share with any of the mentees, right? Let's wait for the uploading. A file has been uploaded. We can select to which mentee we want to assign the task. I'm assigning to this mentee of mine. Let's say this is a medium priority task and the due date is 29th December. I require a submission from the mentee as well. And yes, now I create the task. The task has been created. If I refresh and if I go to that mentee, I'll have this task created, right? Now, if I go back to Now, if I go back to the Menti dashboard and refresh and go to my task page, I'll see a task has been added with the same name that I created, test task created just now. If I click on it, I'll have details of the task, the name of the task, the medium priority, the category, the due date, some instructions, some resources, some attachments which I can download. And obviously, this demands me to upload some review that I have to upload. So before uploading, I need to change the state of the project or the task that has been assigned. So I'll click on not started. One second. I'll click on not started. The task status will now get updated to progress. If I refresh, uh, the task will be in this category now, which is in progress. If I go back to the mentor dashboard again, so I will see on refresh, if I refresh and if I go to that mentee again and see, now we have a task in progress with some progress marked. If I go back to the mentee dashboard, if I again click on it, the status will be changed to pending review. So if I go back to the mentor dashboard and refresh, if I go to that mentee again, I'll see that the task is now under in review. So I'll have details. And now when the task is in a review, okay, now I have to upload the submission that is being required from me. Let's say this was a submission required by me. I uploaded, I submitted the proof. I go back to the mentor dashboard, I refresh, I go to the mentee again, and now I see in the pending review, I'll have that file. I can now download that file, and later on, I can either mark it as reviewed or I cannot mark it as a review. I can message the mentee back to complete the task properly. Let's say I mark the task as reviewed. I go back to the mentee dashboard and see now the task will be marked as completed for mentee. And if I go back to the mentor dashboard, the task will be completed 1 out of 2 for the mentor as well as for that mentee. And again, I can create more tasks further in similar manner. This is the task page for both the mentor and the mentee dashboard. And if I go back to the home page for the mentee, the student one, uh, so if I go back to the mentee dashboard, I'll see that my tasks which were being assigned to me are being updated in this section as well. This is the overview. After that, we also have a page of asking questions by the mentees. It's just similar to Quora, where mentee can ask any questions. Let's say this is another test. This is another test question, right? And this is an engineering question. This is test description, description, and I will post the question. The question has been posted by this particular student. Now, what a mentor can do is he can go to Get Mentees page and he can just see any number of questions that are posted by a different number of students and can answer all the different questions in order to increase his or her reputation so that they have a more chance of being discovered by the students as the mentor as well. So this was a question posted just now by one of the students. Now let me answer it. So I'll go to click on answer and I enter this is a test answer, right? And if I post my answer, the answer has been posted and it will be updated in the student dashboard as well. So if I go to view details, I will have an answer to this question by that particular mentor and I can answer back to him. This is my answer. And in this manner, we can actually have a discussion on the forum as well. And this is the mentor dashboard, and this is my answer, right? So this is how the forum actually works, and how mentors and mentees can connect with each other. And apart from this, this was the whole website that I have created in the past a couple of months. And if I go back to the home page, there are a couple of other things like if I click on profile, this is a profile page which is not fully filled, but it will get eventually filled. If I show you the profile page of the mentor, you'll see how it looks for the mentor as well. And we can also delete the account basically. So this is how the delete account button appears. And if I confirm delete, the account will be deleted and every existence will be removed from the database as well. And if I go back to the home page, if I click on this view all submissions, so I'll have all the submissions for all the different mentors from my side in this page. And if I go to this your mentor dashboard, and if I go to home page, and if I click on view all submissions and testimonials, I'll have all the ratings as well all the reviews and all the videos and all the trial reviews which is not yet being implemented, which will be implemented in the further sessions, right? And that's all about the application and the web application basically. And this whole website has been built using React.js for front end, Node.js for back end, with various individual technologies like WebRTC for video communication, Socket.io for chat application, right? And many more such technologies. MongoDB was used to store the details. Uh, Let me show you the database as well. So this is the MongoDB Atlas, and this is my cluster in which I have this database, and this is all the collections that I have inside the database uh, for my project. For students.